Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be rating my own DIY fidgets that I made. Let's get started. Oh, hi Boba. So first we have this DIY avocado poppet thing. It's pretty cool. It pops pretty well. So I rate the avocado a 8 out of 10. This is the first DIY fidget I've ever made. It says Simple Dimple. And now it doesn't really work because it just doesn't pop, I guess. But overall, it's pretty cute. I rate this Simple Dimple a 6 out of 10 just because it doesn't pop that well. So next we have this DIY infinity cube. So this is the infinity cube and it actually works super well. It's great. But it's smushed because I sat on it. So that's kind of sad, but yeah. I rate the infinity cube a 7 out of 10. And these are just the rest of my Simple Dimples. They're pretty good, and I rate all of them like, I guess a 10 out of 10. They're pretty good. Thanks for watching. Bye!